Okay, and then what is this high quality spark plug brand? And here is the most toppest, the best brand in world, and this name is Denso. And when we use these Denso's spark plugs, what is the best benefit when we use those? There is two those best things. First one is that it is this Denso's spark plug, what is in my hand. There is the specific metal in here, in that thread, in that area. And that's these Denso's spark plugs are very lubricant and they works in extremely well and they don't go this stuck. It is very unnormal situation. And then these Denso's spark plugs, they are also these all Toyota cars, this original spark plug. And when you start to use these Denso spark plugs, then you can think that at least now in this my car, one part is like this world best quality, this Toyota quality. And that's my recommendation always, that start to use these Denso spark plugs. If you have even some another brand like Bosch or something like Champion, I recommend right away you to replace your spark plug to Denso. And this Denso spark plugs works extremely well also in Ford and BMWs and Audi cars. And then there is second little bit weaker option, what is like this second best solution if we don't have this Denso spark plug, and this is this Japanese NJK spark plug, what is quite okay, but firstly I recommend also of all time firstly this Denso's spark plug. Okay, and this is this information. And then remember always when you tighten this spark plug that you use this Togue French tool. And this Togue is something like 20 Newton meters. This is 20 kilo Newton meters is this force, and it is not very much, but let's go to look at what it means in Togue French next.